Welcome class 8 students. Students, today we'll solve exercise number 3.4 from question number 2. But before solving, before entering the exercise, one student, Jasmine Chaudhary, has asked me a question that is practice work from a previous, I think, from 1905. On that day, I gave three sums. The first sums it was okay. Now I am explaining this that ABCD is a square. If OAB is 45 degree, what will be the value of ABO? So, students, we know that the diagonals of a square bisecting each other at 90 degree. It means that angle is 90 degree. That angle is, I am separating that figure, that angle is 45 degree. It is 90 degree. What will be the value of it? We should use the sum angle property, that is 45 plus 90 plus, that is x equal to 180, 135 plus x equal to 180, x equal to 180 minus 135, that equal to 45. So angle AB equal to 45 degree. Okay. Okay, students, like her, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in ePortal, and I will like this, and I will try to solve your question. Now, coming to the exercise 3.4, question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal length. A quadrilateral having four sides of equal length. Okay. The quadrilateral having four sides equal, then what can we say? That quadrilateral must be either square or rhombus. Okay, we know that these two quadrilaterals have equal four sides. So any quadrilaterals having four equal sides, we can say that either square or rhombus. Okay. Second question, that is part A. Part B, four right angles. Quadrilaterals, we know that is trapezium, parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, kite. Okay. Among them, we know that only square has each angle 90 degree and rectangle has each angle is 90 degree. So that quadrilateral may be either square or rectangle. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, that is given, explain a square, a quadrilateral. How can I explain that a square is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means which have a closed simple curve which have four sides. Square, how many sides does square have? Four sides. So as square has four sides, that's why it's a quadrilateral. That is the reason. In that way, we can say a square is a quadrilateral because it has four sides, and that is the property of a quadrilateral. B or 2, a parallelogram. Can we say square A is a parallelogram? Square is a parallelogram? Yes. We know that in the previous videos we have discussed that one type of parallelogram is a square. But now how can we say what is the similarity between square and parallelogram? A quadrilateral can be said to be a parallelogram if opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. That is the definition of parallelogram. Now square has also the property, this is parallel, these two are parallel, these two are parallel, also equal. Okay, square has also opposite sides are parallel and equal. That's why it is a parallelogram. Next, a rhombus. A square can be said a rhombus. How? How can we say that a square is a rhombus? To be a rhombus, the property of a rhombus that all sides are equal, and in square that is also all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. That's why you can say a square is a rhombus. And fourth, rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. How can I say a square is a rectangle? Rectangle means opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all the angles are 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. That is enough for the definition. And square. Square. Opposite. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. It means opposite sides are parallel and equal, and angles are 90 degree. And another property match with the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has equal side, equal diagonals, and square has also equal diagonals. In this way, in comparing this property, you can say a square is a rectangle. Square can be said is a rectangle. A rhombus can be, a square can be said a rhombus, but opposite is not true. A rhombus is not a square. A square is a parallelogram, but opposite, a parallelogram is a square, not mandatory. Okay, may not be a square. A quadrilateral is a square. Sorry, square can be a quadrilateral, but quadrilateral can be, always we can say that quadrilateral is a square? No. Okay, so opposites are not true, opposite segments are not true. Okay, students, in the next video we will solve question number 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, you can ask me in ePortal. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of BMS. Thank you.